Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. I'm Andrea. I'm really sorry this week, but I am a little bit late with my crochet tutorial, and that's because I filmed a whole tutorial and the file was corrupt. And so I've had to abandon that. So I thought rather than do nothing crochet related this week, I'm going to share my thoughts on the new Big and Little Crochet books 14 and 15 and show you the little free gift that came with them. Book 14 shows you how to start to join your motifs together and how to start making your blanket. And book 15 has is it the 14th motif, 14th hexagon in it. Again, I videoed making that, and it is made. Where is it? I think it's in my Big and Little bag. Oh, it's there. And the file was corrupt. Everything I recorded on that card was corrupt. So I have made the hexagon. So I'm up to date with my hexagons. But I thought I'd just have a look through the books because they are fabulous books this month. I also got a free gift, this lovely quilted hook holder, which is really lovely. It's like a wrap design, so I think it'll wrap like so. It's really nice, blue chevron, really pretty, I like it. So book 14 is called Bold and Bright, and the very first thing it has on the front is this huge puffet. Now if I don't make this puffet, there's something wrong with me. I need to make it. It looks so simple, and this starburst rug, there's some lovely things in here, considering that nowadays a lot of people have very white houses, so adding splashes of colour. And lots of people also, this one reminds me of something that you might put in a beach house, or you might put in a summer house in the garden, or a children's play house in the garden. It's really cute. Sorry. Some simple little coasters there. They're good to do if you're not used to working in the round and colour changing. Always useful. Noughts and Crosses beanie, which I really like. Puff stitches and cross trebles. I might have a go at that. That's really nice. The stitch this week is the close shell stitch, and Crochet Know-How. It tells you a little bit more about that and how to do your turning chains. Striped poncho's lovely. Love the colours. That's Debbie Bliss cotton. It's really nice. The little tassels as well. The puffet, which is called the Target Puffet, that has a 200-gram ball of patterns, fab big, in each of 2 colours. And then it has 2 200-gram balls in each of 3 colours. So it uses 8 balls of wool. Seems like a lot. Must be quite big. But yeah, looks quite simple to do. Diagonal picot mesh, that's really useful if you're doing bags and stuff. Bright chevron blanket, that is really pretty. That is a Patterns yarn, Patterns Merino, 750 grams. Extra fine Aran. And 550 grams in each of 4 colours. That's gorgeous. That kind of gives you an idea of how much blankets cost, because this extra fine Aran Merino from Patterns is not going to be cheap, and you need 7 balls of it in the cream, and you need 550 grams in each of 4 colours, so that's 20, so you need 27 balls for that blanket. But it's gorgeous. That's horrendous. I don't know who'd wear that. Zigzag pencil case. and how to insert a zip, and that's edging and joining section 1 of the throw. So I'll have to get on with doing that. Book 15, Wraps and Shawls. That's gorgeous. Really love that. It's pretty. That's lovely. Little stole for the winter months or for winter holiday. I'm not too keen on that. Oh, it's a skull. It's alright for Halloween, I guess. Bar and lattice stitch. Shisha mirror shawl. That is pretty. It's got little mirrors embedded into it. Chunky bow wrap. Oh, that's so pretty. That's lovely for sort of a winter wedding or something for bridesmaids. That's really nice. The kimono style shawl. Again, that's good for a night out, just to keep up something on your shoulders. I'm not too keen on that at all. That's beautiful. Cutaway shrug. And then there's the final part of the hexagon, the next hexagon in the throw pattern. So yes, I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to bring you a crochet tutorial as such today. I know, and I didn't even manage to do it for Monday. I was desperately trying to sort out my corrupt files, but I just couldn't. So I had to give in and accept defeat. And I've got a couple of other crochet projects that I'm busy with, but they're not ready yet. So I couldn't even finish one of those off. So yeah, I'm really sorry. But next Monday I'll be back. I might try and do 2 crochet tutorials next week. I might do a Halloween themed one and a normal one. Okay, and I'm not going to bother doing that stripy hexagon again. I know some people have really struggled with it. I think the main struggle comes with the turning and the colour changing and then carrying your colour forward. And I made a couple of mistakes in mine. Look, I sort of popped 2 stitches into the whole stitch instead of just the front loop, but I'm not going to go back and change that now. It wasn't my favourite one to work on, but I do love it. So, and those 2 little mistakes, oh, there's another one there, 3 little mistakes, oops, is that, no, 3 mistakes, well, I mean, they're just going to remind me of how difficult it was. Okay, so thank you for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.